Guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to highlight search terms into your WordPress search results page. Simple, easy, without coding, and for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. First of all, let's start with the why. Imagine why you should highlight search results on your site. Imagine that you write a blog with lots of posts, or you have a shop with lots of products, you have some listing site, for example, for real estate, for some Amazon affiliate shop, for example. Imagine that the user can search into your WordPress search box and see the results easier, see the terms that they are searching for easier. This can potentially increase your ROI, increase the retention, increase the site engagement, increase the viewer spend time on your site. So it's quite beneficial for your site. So let's start learning how to do this. First of all, move to your WordPress dashboard, reveal the left sidebar of menus into your WordPress dashboard, scroll it down until you can see the plugins field. Hover your mouse over it and click on Add New Submenu. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to the keyword into search plugins, we're gonna click right here and just type highlight search terms. Simple and easy. After this, we're gonna find this plugin right here by Raven Age. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. But this plugin has no settings panel, so all we have to do is activate the plugin. It's already active, as you can see. Only you have the button to deactivate the plugin. And now if I go to my search box and try to search for something, for example, flowers, can you see the term highlighted? Now imagine that I would like to search for another term, hello. Let's search. And as you can see, both the title or the text description, it's highlighted into the search results, independently of the theme that you are using, the plugins that you are using. So it's quite effective and it's really nice to use. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders plugin, or Enzu WordPress theme, or Growth.net platform to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or Sites.gallery, a place where you can promote your site for free. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium, count on our full support, plugins, templates, assets, design elements, and many more pro features, including our full templates library with hundreds of ready pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. Go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and go premium. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.